What's up, guys? Well, I got the car suspended in the air. The jack stand's kind of, I mean, it seems kind of sturdy, but still kind of sketchy. But today, I'm going to install the catback exhaust and the short shifter. So let's get started. Say hello. Say something.
A girl stole my hat today and took it home. That's all I have to say.
Shame. That's what happens when you eat too many warheads. God damn.
Yeah, this fits. Definitely, got it.
This is the old ass piece of shit exhaust.
It has to fit.
Holy shit though, Trevor. Look at the difference in the holes.
That's what she said. Wow.
So
that
much,
one is definitely a hooker.
So much bigger than that. It's gonna be so much louder.
It's like a wet hot version right here, all nice and oiled up. Alright.
So this is just held up with hangers. Cool. We're probably gonna have to cut these. The cat. Stock cats suck. Whatever. I'll replace this someday. Oh shit. You know what?
Okay.
I forgot we have to put the shifter in before we put this on.
That's true.
the stock shifter. That is the gear shifter. Yes. The short shifter's installed. The only problem is, since it's longer, you probably can't hear, but it hits on the exhaust. So I'm gonna have to shave the hangers down there, but it feels a lot nicer than the stock one, so I mean, that's good.
Alright guys, we're going to do an exhaust sound test. First we're going to do a stock exhaust, see what the stock exhaust sounds like, and then do one catback, see what that sounds like.